But I want to go back at town. You have there. You have there. No. When me go there, like me go like Airbnb and so forth. You understand me go and in the question they ask, are you ready? So, me not sure I want to go on a date with him. Auntie, him not ready yet. Him comment section I tell him too much things. Because when we did the day first time, we never did have a problem about nothing at all. So him supposed to make it be the same thing. I'm not feeling. Yeah. Full dry your life. I know full dry my life. Too much red flags. Too much red flags. And then Kevin did tell you what we said. Oh yeah, Rotted. Yes, he tell me what V said. Nobody can go remember him now. Cause him not give me a number. No, he's just asked you make. He just asks you and you make. Me not make it hurt, auntie. Me not make it hurt, auntie. You not sit on the other hand, You not sit on the other hand. If me take up my bag tomorrow and go to Kingston now tomorrow, auntie, God and merciful, I'm just going to relax and watch. Auntie, you not understand. Like you not understand it at all. I swear to God, go and relax and watch. I swear to you upon my life. Of course, I want to go up there, add me. I want to go up there, but no, you not understand it. Go and relax and watch. What's up?
Yeah, man, you're good.
Yeah, I'm good like that.
Okay.
God don't. Okay, auntie. And he really miss you. Please call him just. You know, miss nobody a troublemaker. At last later you gonna see my party and left me in the house again. Man, I keep moving around. As later come, love you, Annie, love you, baby. As later come, you go left me in the house, gonna party. And next, me and him again, cause me and him alike. Alright, later, yeah. But, no, I don't know. Auntie say I sit down and watch, cause Auntie can't take you up and down. You notice he start praying. Nobody not there. Look here. Honestly, social media like forget things too twisted at me. And yeah, because to be honest, for the fact of it is him have it in our mind as a doubt, and people cannot doubt people if them not trust. Then there is more to life than just moving around in each other. That's pro. All right. So to be honest, right? Me audio, may I come?